Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install my brand new Black Widow exhaust system to my Yamaha Tenere. So this is going to be a full exhaust system swap. So this is headers, including the slip-on. So I'll show you how to remove the OEM system and how the Black Widow system then goes on. If you want to hear how it sounds, I've already heard it, of course. If you want to hear how it sounds, go ahead and subscribe and you'll see that video in the near future. It sounds very good. And also I will say that with this installation, it's pretty straightforward, okay? You don't have to be too mechanically minded to do this swap, which is really good because you can save some money doing it yourself. And I guess with that said, how about you sit back, relax, and enjoy this installation video. Okay, so firstly, undo the 4 8mm bolts securing the skid plate and remove. Loosen off the O2 sensor using a 17mm spanner, but do not remove yet. Loosen off the 4 12mm header pipe nuts and remove. Using a 6mm Allen key, loosen off the clamp securing the silencer to the link pipe. Then using an 8mm Allen key and a 14mm spanner, loosen off the bolt securing the silencer. Remove silencer. Return to the loose O2 sensor and remove. Under the bike, the last 12mm bolt will allow complete removal of header pipe. Now we need to extend the O2 lead, so using a 30mm star drive, proceed to remove the right hand side fairing. You will also need to remove this bolt using a 4mm Allen key. Unclip indicator connection. Remove this push rivet and twist panel to allow access to O2 sensor connector. Remove the OEM O2 sensor. And take your sensor wire extension, plug this in place of the OEM O2 sensor and feed the wire in place of the original location of the O2 wire. Now replace fairing in the same way you removed. Taking your new Black Widow header and link pipe, note the numbers to connect the correct header to relevant link pipe. Fit the new Black Widow header pipe provisionally in place with your 12mm nuts loose to allow for movement. Don't forget to use your new gaskets supplied. Using the fire gum supplied, rub a generous amount to the inside of your link pipe. Place and connect your Black Widow link pipe to your header pipes. Using supplied nut and bolt provisionally secure in place. Install the O2 sensor into the Black Widow link pipe. Connect to your sensor wire extension. Secure the OEM sensor wire using a zip tie in its new location. Take your remaining link pipe and install it into your silencer, not forgetting to use your fire gum and provisionally fit exhaust clamp. Fix the silencer onto the link pipe. Line up mounting bracket and provisionally secure in place using supplied nut and bolt. Now tighten up your header bolts. I recommend using copper grease to prevent corrosion. Also, bolts should be hand tight with a nip up. Do not over tighten. Make sure you tighten the link pipe mounting bracket, as well as a silencer mounting bracket, and of course your exhaust clamps. Now remove heat shield from OEM silencer using the 4mm Allen key. Fix the heat shield to the Black Widow link pipe using supplied bolts and tighten. Take your supplied exhaust tightening springs and fit using the supplied spring hook. And lastly, reinstall the skid plate.